ready to make some apple cinnamon chips. I tell you what, these are good. I won't be adding any sugar. I will be adding lemon, and I'll be adding cinnamon on it. So bear with us here. We're going to get a lemon. We're going to squeeze a lemon into this. I'm going to core these here. Them are juicy. Try to make them really thick. Whoops, that's a little too thin. We'll put it in that water though. There, that's a little better. And we'll just slice them up here. Let's get these out, lay them over here. All right, now we're going to lay them on this tray. I've patted them down, and we need to pat them a little bit more on some of them. Paper towels get wet and don't get it all off of there. There's those. Probably ready to sit out and let dry. Okay, we have another tray. It's ready. All right, and then we're just okay. Now it's time to sprinkle them with some cinnamon. See what we can do. See how good we can do this. Okay, so we just want to tap, raise it up. All right, yeah, I see it coming out now. Sorry about that, had to change the battery, it went dead on me. Anyways, we've done both sides of these, and I think that'll do it right there. All right, set this into the side, grab another tray, and we'll get these done and we'll be back when we put it in the dehydrator. All right, I'm gonna pull the door off. I got all my trays out of there. We're gonna set this to the side right here. All right, let's get these trays in there. And like I said, I only have 3. I'm gonna put this one on the second rack down slot. Everything looks good there. And this one, I believe, looks pretty. Okay, hopefully you can see that all right. I'm going to set the thermostat to about 140, and we're going to put it on for 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours. We're going to look at it then, and if it needs more, we'll start it. We're just going to start the start button, and there she goes. I don't know if you can hear it. It's fairly quiet, not bad at all. So We have it set for 12 hours. We'll come back and kind of look at them periodically. All right, we'll take a look at them and see how they're doing. It's been 9 hours. I think I set it for 12. It still likes 3 hours and 17 minutes. All right. As you notice, we just have 3 trays in there, and I believe they're ready. I took a couple out and tested them. When you first take them out, they're pliable. Let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and they are crunchy. They are chips. Let's turn it off. Pull the door off of it. Right there. Now, whoop, that one's pretty crispy. Oh, it tastes good. Now I'm going to place them in here. All right, let's set them out here. It won't take them very long. I believe they're ready to put in a jar. Let's look at them. Oh, yeah. Now, put my lid on it. Then we're going to take our vacuum sealer. Just place it on top. Let's see if you can see that. And it's a pulling a vacuum. It needs to go for about 45 seconds, maybe about a minute, somewhere along there. Okay, we're at about 47. That ought to do it. Get it off. Pull this off. I like that. Now we'll put our band on it. And it's all right there. Okay. Now let's see if we can get these in here. We may have to break. I think I'm gonna leave this one out to eat. Okay. Let me wipe this off. And we'll put it back. Now that was for the wide mouth jars. You just remove this part, but for this one, we need to put it back on there. So we'll set it here. There's a place where it lines and locks up. Just place it right on top. And about the same time with it, it's going to be about 45 to 50 seconds. And that ought to do it. Hear that pop? I'll just take it off. Vacuum sealed. Let's put a ring on it. Yeah. Now, good healthy snack right there. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.